My dad, out of high school, got into the HVAC industry and figured out pretty quickly that he was good at it. And after working with one of the largest old companies in Gainesville for a long time, went out on his own with a couple of different partners and a couple of different companies. He quickly realized that his work ethic, his customer service, and really the way that he ran his business was much different than most people. So it inspired him to go out on his own. And, at that point, him and my mom kind of took a gamble and opened Bounds Heating and Air 30 years ago. And here we are today.
Everybody that works here is real close. We have a lot of employees that are 10 to 15-year employees here. They're just family to us. And, that's how we kind of started. And that's what makes us who we are, is a great place to work. Great place to wake up and come every morning.
I respect the Boundses and what they've done for this community and this company, as well as all of the employees. We definitely have multiple families within this family, and I think that shows the biggest dynamic of Bounds.
We range from anything from new construction work, building a home, to service calls, maintenance agreements, servicing and maintaining general HVAC equipment, and also system replacements.
We live in Florida. We get a lot of nuisance type calls of frogs and snakes and lizards, ants and contactors. We get a real varied amount of types of repairs, and our technicians have had all the experience repairing these and maintaining these systems where other companies just don't.